अगर मैं आपको कहूं कि जो आपका आरओ वाटर प्यूरिफायर है उसको सर्विस कराने की जरूरत ही नहीं है एवरी फ्यू मंथ्स, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपका जो आरओ है उसके अंदर जो फिल्टर है वो चलेगा 2 साल तक विदाउट एनी रिप्लेसमेंट, फिर भी द प्योरिटी ऑफ द वाटर विल बी परफेक्ट। अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि एक ऐसा ऐप है दैट कैन टेल यू द हेल्थ ऑफ द वाटर यू आर ड्रिंकिंग, द हेल्थ ऑफ योर आरओ, उसके फिल्टर कैसे हैं और अंदर फिल्टर कितने टाइम तक चलेंगे, आप क्या बोलोगे? आप बोलोगे इम्पॉसिबल। वेल अब मिशन इंपॉसिबल हो गया है वेरी मच पॉसिबल थैंक्स टू अर्बन कंपनी। ये जो आप देख रहे हैं उनका ब्रांड न्यू आरओ वाटर प्यूरिफायर, इसका नाम है नेटिव M2। इन्होंने लॉन्च किया है ओन सीरीज ऑफ वाटर प्यूरिफायर अंडर दिस नेटिव सीरीज। और सीरियसली है ना, ये लोग चैलेंज कर रहे हैं ऑल अदर वाटर प्यूरिफायर ब्रांड्स। आप बोलोगे ऐसा क्यों? वेल आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट, बिकॉज इसमें एक ऐसी इनोवेशन है दैट नो अदर वाटर प्यूरिफायर हैज, एंड दैट कुड बी द गेम चेंजर। शुरू करते हैं विद डिजाइन। थिंग्स स्टार्ट वेरी वेल विद इट्स लुक्स। आप देख रहे हैं मिनिमलिस्टिक है, क्लीन है, वेरी फ्यूचरिस्टिक लुकिंग। इंजीनियरिंग एंड डिजाइन मार्वल है। 3 बटन्स है यहाँ इन द फ्रंट। आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट वर्क्स। ओके, इसमें है वन टच डिस्पेंसिंग। दिखाता हूं। गिलास मेरे हाथ में, इफ यू वांट टू फिल दिस ग्लास, नॉर्मली आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? वहां खड़े रहना पड़ता है, बटन को दबाया फिर ऑफ किया। ये देखिए यहां पे मैंने रख दिया, ग्लास वाला डिस्पेंसिंग का बटन दबाया एंड इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली, इसमें जो है गाइडिंग लाइट भी है, ड्रिप ट्रे भी है, ऑटोमेटिकली रुक जाएगा when the glass is about done. So I absolutely love this part of it. तो आपने ग्लास फिल करना है, बॉटल फिल करनी है, और you just want the water to run, it has buttons for that without needing any help from you at all. Tray मैंने आपको बताया retractable है, guiding light is absolutely fantastic also. If you're filling water in the dark, it will actually help you. अच्छा, now let's move on to the service guarantee. ये है game changer for the first time in India. एक RO water purifier है that is claiming that it only needs service once in 2 years. सोचिए आपका आरओ जो है every 2 or 3 months filter service, right? ये पहले कभी claim नहीं हुआ, let alone done before in the country. Urban Company also offers 2 years of unconditional warranty, zero maintenance cost. In case filter needs replacement, they will do it for free. और in case आरओ को कोई सर्विस चाहिए, they will do that also for free. 2-year warranty gets renewed after every service, यानी कि फिर से 2 साल के लिए it is now in play. There's even 24/7 support in case of any issue. तो इन्होंने ना huge pain points हटाए हैं for every water purifier owner, and Urban Company has solved it all in one shot. But after all, है तो service company at its core, right? And they've serviced over 1 million ROs over the years. So why would they be destroying their own service business? मैंने बात की अभिराज सिंह से, CEO and co-founder Urban Company, and he had a very interesting answer.
We've serviced and repaired over 1 million water purifiers pan-India. When we started that category, one of the pain points that we heard from our consumers was that, look, your technician is going and sourcing a filter from the market. Why don't you get me filters from the branded OEMs? So we went and approached most of the major OEMs to partner with them. All of them refused to partner with us. But we had to do something about the consumer's pain point and the fact that consumers weren't trusting the local filters that were being used. I remember when COVID hit, this was 2020, first set of lockdowns, business is now down to zero. And hold and behold, one of our team members came up with the brilliant idea that, look, we are anyways servicing and repairing water purifiers. We anyways have filters. Why don't we make our own water purifiers?
अच्छा, अब चलते हैं towards the water purification. ये जो पानी हम लोग ने इससे निकाला है, this is a 10-step filtration process जिससे ये पानी इसमें आया। एक pre-filter है which removes most of the impurities before the water enters the RO. फिर एक RO membrane है, 4-in-1 health booster filter है, pre-carbon filter है, sediment filter है, UV light है, UF membrane है. Pre-filter also has a self-cleaning mechanism. This is another unbelievable innovation. This is what gives it a really long life. For your 10-step process, it results in highly purified water with copper. इसमें infuse किया उन्होंने alkaline and minerals. So basically you're drinking 99.9% pure water. बाकी ROs on the market do filter the water and copper charge it, but alkaline elements usually missing होते हैं. और alkaline water has skin benefits. It can also neutralize acid in your bloodstream. Just with this native M2 जो है looks like a step above the rest. Native series में ना 8 लीटर की इसमें water capacity है, fills plenty of bottles without any worry at all. Taste adjuster भी है, which means they set up the TDS value of the water purifier to match your taste preference. Or native water purifier is US, FD, ISI and ISO approved also. अब इसके ऐप के बारे में बात करते हैं. Perfect solution for the water purifier. So simple, so innovative. App helps you keep track of the water and the filter quality. ये measure करता है the life of the membrane, pre-filter and tells you the health of the water that is coming out of the product. In case कुछ चीज ठीक नहीं है, कुछ गलत चल रहा है, app will also show you an alert when the service is due. अच्छा, इस app के बारे में बड़ी चीजें इन्होंने सोची हैं, तो I spoke to Abhiraj about this. कि इतना effort in that app.
It shows you all the filters that we have, and we have 10 stages of filtration. So it shows you the health of all of those filters, and it shows you the overall health of your water purifier, as well as the total dissolved solids or TDS level of your water. It shows you the water consumption. Very importantly, in the rare event that for whatever reason any of those filters is not working properly and the purifier needs a service, it will automatically alert you. Even if you miss that alert, it will alert us at the back end. An urban company will automatically trigger a service request to go out there and make that filter change possible.
अब service brand है which does not really make products, and they just made an RO water purifier. Seems to have changed the game completely. But you know, to be a game changer, a disruptor, आपको crystal clear focus चाहिए होता है, which is what Urban Company has done with this one. They have two products, एक Native M1 है और ये है Native M2. दो products क्यों निकाले उन्होंने? Why did they do that? That was my exact question to Abhiraj.
M2 is smart, so it has all the smart features. It's integrated into the UC app. M1 does not come with the IoT enabled smart features. We wanted to see what consumers are going to prefer.
Fascinating, right? The whole idea of why they're doing it. This leads me to believe कि बहुत कुछ और आने वाला है, exciting stuff in the pipeline from Urban Company. So अगर मैं एक Urban Company के R&D center में अभी चले जाऊँ, और क्या products मेरे को वहाँ पे दिखेंगे? What does the future hold for Urban Company? Abhiraj had the exact answer for me.
It's smart door locks. That's one category that we're quite excited by. Still early, we're still figuring it out. See, eventually our goal is to be a home solutions company that consumers love, and those solutions could straddle services or a range of products which solve everyday simple pain point, keeping your home clean, making sure your home is well maintained, clean drinking water, etc., etc. So I think that's the direction in which we want to take the company. The services business is our core business. Native as a new sub brand will introduce the home products and the home solutions that can also simplify everyday living.
You know, I'm really glad a service company is getting into products, because who knows better the problem with the product than the company that services so many of them. So incredible stuff coming up from Urban Company. मेरे हिसाब से this product may change the water purifier market forever. I'm definitely looking forward to what the future holds for them. Right now, this is what we have. The Native M1 का cost है 13,999 और Native M2 cost 17,999. आप कौन सा वाला लेने वाले हैं? Comment below and keep coming back for more right here on Tech Magnified. See you in the next one.